thought I'd show you these Talon quick release swivels. These are what I bought to go with that Sling. And if you can see that, there you go, that's a box. These are what they look like. These are the carbon steel ones. They're actually doing them in a stainless steel. They're not the cheapest, but at the end of the day you don't want cheap swivels. The last thing you need is anything really cheap that's holding the weight of your gun, because you don't want it hitting the deck when you've got a nice expensive firearm on them. To attach them to your gun, you just press that button there and that spins round. Easy enough. Slot it on, press the button, spin it back around, clicks into place. Can't say any easier than that. They're made in the USA again, and also guaranteed forever. So good old Yanks, done it again. Made something that's probably a lot more capable of just holding a gun, but that's why we like them. So I just thought I'd show you that. We actually, on the Sling itself, they look like that. Lovely fit. That's a 1-inch, standard 1-inch. That's my Sling. It fits in there great. I like that. So if you're after any Sling swivels, I'd definitely recommend checking these out. I paid 10 quid for these. I've seen them for around 10 to 15 pounds, but yeah, definitely give them a go. So thanks for watching.